Sometimes the base classes also have base classes, forcing Python to search many classes for a method definition. Here's an example with 2 levels of inheritance. This program contains 3 classes: the animal class, the mammal class which derives from the animal class, and the lion class which derives from the mammal class. Python first reads all 3 classes. In line 13, Python creates an instance of the lion class. Python first looks in the lion class for the init method and doesn't find one. Next, Python looks in lion's base class, which is mammal. The mammal class does not have the init method either, so Python looks in mammal's base class, which is animal. The animal class contains the init method, so Python jumps there. In line 14, Python calls joe.move. Joe is an instance of lion, so once again Python looks for the move method in the lion class. Python then looks in the mammal class, and finally the animal class.